Look how many eggplants I found.
That's wonderful, son. We have plenty now.
Look at all these eggplants you picked, son.
They look delicious, Dad. I'm hungry.
What a perfect evening for a walk.
I agree. It feels so peaceful by the river.
Be careful, it's still very hot.
It looks wonderful. Let's begin.
Finally, I'm starving.
The vegetables are cooked perfectly today.
Yes, they taste wonderful, Mother.
And then I told him, we must finish this work tomorrow.
You work too hard sometimes. You should rest.
But